Welcome back to the channel. Today we are explore how to design ad poster in Photoshop. Open Photoshop and create a new poster size canvas. Fill the background with a solid color or gradient matching the brand theme. Import product or service image in high resolution. Cut out the product using pen tool or quick selection tool. Place the product in the center or row of the third area. Add a clean geometric shape or color block behind the product. Insert the company logo at the top or corner. Add bolding headline text using sans serif or modern fonts. Use layer style like drop shadow, outer glow to make the text pop. Place supporting text, features, offers, prices neatly below the headline. Add icons or symbols for quick info highlights. Apply blending